Chapter 7, Part 2. Vocabulary words. Confused and misused words. Assure, A-S-S-U-R-E, is to give confidence to feel sure, or to convince. I want to assure you that you did the right thing. I want you to give you confidence that you did the right thing. Ensure, E-N-S-U-R-E, is to make sure or certain. Please ensure that the door is locked before you leave. Please make certain that the door is locked before you leave. Insure, I-N-S-U-R-E, is to cover with insurance, or to guarantee, or to secure from harm. You will want to insure the building. You will want to cover it with insurance. Capital with an A, C-A-P-I-T-A-L. The official seat of government, or money to invest. Capital with an O, C-A-P-I-T-O-L. That's a building in which legislature meets. The capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. That's where the official seat of government is. The U.S. Senate meets in Washington in the Capitol. That's the actual building. Cite, cite, and cite. Cite, C-I-T-E, is to quote or to acknowledge. Sight, S-I-G-H-T, is a vision, or to see or observe. Site, S-I-T-E, is a location. Lindsay was able to cite the Gettysburg Address. She was able to quote it. Becky was a sight to behold. That means she was a vision. Matt purchased a new site for our business. That's a new location. There are few